morning, children. Yes. Okay, so what we today going to learn? Yes, we are going to learn today beginning sounds. We are going to learn beginning sound, right? In our last session also, we learned beginning sounds, right? This is the second part of it. Okay, so shall we start? Yes. Okay. Okay, children. Beginning sound means what, children? The starting sound. The starting, right? The starting alphabet. You have to tell me the starting alphabet of the object. जो भी पिक्चर्स आपको दिख रहे हैं उनका स्टार्टिंग अल्फाबेट आपको बताना है. बिगिनिंग वाला. बिगिनिंग मीन्स स्टार्टिंग वाला. Okay? Let's start doing it. Okay. We will solve this worksheet. Okay? Yes. Now tell me, children. What is it? Yes, recognize it. This is a sun. Sorry. This is a sun. Okay. So, which alphabet is there in the beginning of the sun? Yes, sun. So, which alphabet is going to, we are going to write here? Yes, it is S. S is for sun, right? Okay. So next is, yes, what is it, children? We see it in the rainy season. Frog. Yes, frog. So frog. Yes, frog. So which alphabet we are going to write here? Yes, F. F is for frog. Okay. F is for frog. Okay, what is it? Apple. It is apple. Okay, A. Yes, A is for A. So, A is for apple. A is for apple. Okay. Now look at this. Car. What is it? Car. So which sound it has? K. Which alphabet has a sound of K? Yes, it is C. C is for car. C is for car. Okay. Yes. Next is ball. Yes, what is it? Ball. B. So which alphabet has a sound of B? Yes, it is B. B is for ball. B is for ball. Okay, now what is it, children? Yes, this is a turtle. This is a turtle. T. Turtle has a sound of T. So which alphabet has a sound of T? Yes, it is T. T is for turtle. Okay, so write down T over here. Right? Okay, you got it? समझा आप लोगों को? Yes. So, shall we go to the next worksheet? Yes. Some more words are there. Some more objects are there. You have to write the beginning sound of these objects. Right? Okay. What is it? Tell me. What is this, children? Which object is this? This is a fan. This is a fan. Right? F. So, which alphabet has a sound of F? Yes? F. F is for fan. So, you have to write it here. F. Okay? Now, read with me. F-A-N. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Okay. Now, next. What is it? What is it, children? Pin. What is it? Pin. Okay. P. So which alphabet has a sound of P? Yes, it is P. P has a sound of P. So we will write P over here. P. Okay. Now read with me. Read करो मेरे साथ. P I N. Pin. P I N. Pin. Okay? Yes. Next. What is this, children? Lip. This is a lip. Okay. Now lip. Means which sound it has in the beginning? L. Okay? L. Which alphabet has the sound of L? L किसका sound है? Yes. L. L has a sound of L. So what you have to write here? L. Read with me. L I P. Lip. L I P. Lip. Okay. Now next. Okay. What is it? Okay. Okay. So what is this, children? Yes. Okay. What is this? Net. What is it? Net. Okay. So net. That is N. So which alphabet has the sound of N? It is N. N E T. Net. Read with me. N E T. Net. Okay. Now what is it? Egg. What is it, children? Egg. Okay. So egg. Which alphabet has the sound of A? Yes, it is E. It is E. Read with me. E G G. Egg. E G G. Egg. Okay. Now what is it, children? Mat. What is it? Mat. Okay. So now which alphabet has the sound of M? Mat. M. Yes, it is M. M A T. Mat. Read करो मेरे साथ. M A T. Mat. Okay, very good. Come to the next worksheet. Okay, read with me. What is it, children? Key. What is this? Key. Yes, we open the lock with it, right? It is key. Okay, so key. Yes, it has a sound of K. So which alphabet we are going to write here? K. K. K E Y. Key. K E Y. Key. Okay. Next is rat. Yes, it is rat. Okay. So which alphabet we are going to write here? R. R. Which alphabet has a sound of R? Yes, it is R. It is R. Okay, so write down R over here. Read करेंगे मेरे साथ. R A T. Rat. R A T. Rat. Okay, now what is it, children? Yes, we see it into the sky during the day. Okay, so it is a sun. It is a sun. So which alphabet has a sound of sun? S. S is for sun. So write down S. Now read with me. S U N. Sun. S U N. Sun. Okay, very good. So now we will do one more worksheet. Okay, last worksheet. Okay, what you have to do here? Same, you have to identify the beginning letter. Okay, yes. Tell me, what is it, children? Yes, fly. It is a fly. Fly. Which alphabet has a sound of F? Fly. Yes, it is F. Right? Like F is for frog. वैसे ही F is for fly. So write down F over here. Sorry. F over here. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to write the word over here. जो word आपने बनाया है आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. Okay. Let's write. क्या है ये? F L Y. Fly. F L Y. Fly. Okay. Now what is this, children? Yes. This is a map. This is a map. Okay. So map means which sound it has? M. Okay. M. Okay. Now which alphabet we are going to write here for M? कौन सा alphabet है? M. M has a sound of M. Okay. So write down M. Now make a word here. Word बनाओ. M. ठीक है. और आगे क्या है? A and P. M A P. Map. M A P. Map. Okay, very good. Now what is it, children? Meow, meow, right? Yes, it is a cat. It is a cat. Okay, so what we are going to write here? Yes, tell me, you know that. C. C is for cat. C is for cat. Okay, so write down here the word C A T. Cat. C A T. Cat. Read करेंगे मेरे साथ, ठीक है? C A T. Cat. Okay. Now what is it, children? Yes. What is it? Bag. What is it, children? Bag. So B. B. B means B. B. Write down the word B A G. Bag. B A G. Bag. Read with me. B A G. Bag. Okay. Shall we recall it? Yes. एक बार read करेंगे. F L Y. Fly. F L Y. Fly. M A P. Map. M A P. Map. C A T. Cat. C A T. Cat. B A G. Bag. B A G. Bag. Okay. So children, you understood the beginning sounds? Yes. Okay. So our session is over. We'll meet in the next session.